If you love shrimp, you're gonna love this recipe. Today I'm making garlic shrimp, camarones al ajillo. So easy to make, let me show you how. Here I have 2 pounds of shrimp that I've already cleaned and deveined. I'm going to season with salt, pepper, and plenty of paprika for color and flavor. Mix well, and then to cook, my pan is set to medium heat. We add some oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, stir until the butter melts. Then add 12 minced garlic cloves, half of a red onion, saute for about 4 minutes. Now we can add the shrimp. Mix it in. We add the juice of 1 lime, and here I have half a tablespoon of each, parsley flakes and chili flakes. Mix until well incorporated. Now we add some cilantro and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And our shrimp is now ready. It looks so delicious. Now we can work on the rice. In a saucepan set to medium heat, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, we add in 3 tablespoons of butter. The butter is melted and we add in 3 minced garlic cloves and 1/4 of a white onion. Saute for about a minute and we add 1.5 cups of white rice. I'm using long grain rice. Fry until golden. It's been 3 minutes, our rice is now golden, and we add 12 ounces of canned corn, mix, then add 3 cups of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now cover, reduce the heat to the lowest, and cook for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, we're gonna check on the rice. Now we turn off the heat, cover, and let it rest for 5 minutes. Our rice is now ready. Super easy to make buttery corn rice. Now I'm gonna serve myself some rice and the shrimp. This dish also pairs perfectly with pasta, mashed potatoes, or some tortillitas hechas a mano. All right guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. If you guys have never tried camarones al ajillo, this is your opportunity to make it. They're so easy to make. They're ready in like under 30 minutes. I get a lot of requests to make more seafood, so that's why I decided to make these camarones. So if you guys are interested in seafood recipes, this is one to try. It's so delicious and it's ready in under 30 minutes. And there you have it, delicious camarones al ajillo. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.